All right, it's the next morning. It's time to bake. So I've got a pizza peel with parchment. I've got the bread. I took it out of the fridge about 20 minutes ago. Some people say bake it right out of the fridge. Some people say take it out and leave it on the counter for 20 minutes. Everyone's got a different idea about it. That's fine. I've got some scissors, I've got a lom to score the bread, and I've got some grits or cornmeal, which I put in the bottom of the cooking vessel in addition to the parchment because I find it's less likely to burn the bottom of the loaf that way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer the loaf to the parchment on the peel. I'm going to cut away the extra parchment. That's not necessary, it's just something I like to do so it's not so much in the way. Then I'm going to score the bread, put it in the vessel, put it in the oven, and take it from there. So here we go. Now for scoring, it's important to not go too slow and let it drag, because if you go slow, it's going to catch on the dough and it gets a jagged line that way. I'm not saying I'm great at it, but that's what I try to do. I kind of steady the bread a little bit with my left hand, and I don't want to put too much pressure on it because then it'll degas the bread, but just a little bit. So here we go. And sometimes I go back through because I'm still learning how to do this and I want it to look good. So that's all you really need. You don't need to go crazy, but you can of course do as much or as little as you like. If you don't score it, it'll probably just split open on its own, which is also fine. But this gives you a little more direction over A, how it looks, and B, the manner in which it expands in the oven. So now I'm gonna load up our cooking vessel and take it from there.